and welcome to our Homemaker series. In this series, I'm challenging myself weekly to learn a new homemaker skill, and this is week 4. In week 4, we're ditching the store-bought cleaning products and we're making some at home by ourselves. We're making some low toxic ones. Did you know that a lot of cleaning products that you get from the store have chemicals that interfere with your endocrine system, the system that regulates your hormones? I have little ones at home, just as young as 5 years old. I don't need chemicals in my house to interfere with their hormones at such a young age. So we're going to ditch the store-bought and make it at home with simple and clean ingredients. I looked online and I found a few recipes that looked pretty easy. I do have granite veg tops, so this is granite friendly, and it has only 4 ingredients. So let's get to it. To start, we'll need a jug, 2 cups of filtered water, some liquid castile soap, 1 tablespoon, some rubbing alcohol, and 1 tablespoon of that also. Oops. Again, I'm making this granite friendly, so only 1 tablespoon, as too much alcohol can actually affect your granite. Then we're going to add in 10 drops of lemon essential oil for its antibacterial properties. Just give it a good mix. Oh, that smells amazing, if only you could smell that. Then we're just gonna need a bunch of folded up napkins. Then we're gonna grab our container, place our wipes in it, or folded napkins, and just pour over that liquid. Just want to let it absorb in so you don't make them too wet. I reckon I could fit some more, so I'm going to go get some more. Okay, I folded a few more pieces of paper towel that I'm going to chuck in there, and we're going to pour the rest of this liquid over it. It is going to look like it's too much from what I've read, but over the next 24 hours it's going to absorb in and make these wipes perfect. So I've poured the rest of that liquid in, we're just going to let it absorb now. So I've let that absorb now for 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's all evenly absorbed through those wipes. You just want to put your lid on it, and over the next few hours just keep flipping it to make sure that liquid evenly distributes through it, that if there's any excess, it's not just sitting on the bottom, it's evenly through those wipes. But once that's done, you can just take it out and use it as you would any ordinary wipe. So there we have it, some homemade non-toxic cleaning wipes that aren't going to cause any hormone imbalances. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's episode of week 4 of our Homemaker series. I have many more things that I want to learn to make, such as herbal face washes and other homemade condiments. So if you've liked watching today's video or any of the other previous episodes, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help our channel grow. And thank you again so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's content. Bye.